Gold prices have crossed rupees 1 lakh for 10 grams in India. This as the yellow metal has witnessed a record rally, and this is being driven by uncertainties in the global market. So pure gold, those of 24 carats, is now costing more than 10,000 for a gram in all major cities, including Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Let's go across to Sakshi Bajaj for more on this story. And Sakshi, global uncertainty driving up gold prices, and while this may be great news for investors, it's certainly bad news for those who are looking to buy gold.
That's right, a historic milestone for gold prices and for the precious metal. Gold prices hitting 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams. Now, important to remember here, this is after the 3% GST charge for consumers. But like you were mentioning, while this is great news for investors, it is bad news for consumers, as gold, of course, is becoming more and more out of their reach. And of course, affordability remains a concern. So why exactly is this happening? Well, this is happening because, of course, of the US-China trade war concerns and the uncertainty really mounting. As the uncertainty mounts, remember, investors turn to gold as a safe haven bet. And with more and more demand, we're seeing gold prices inch higher. So what are brokerages and economists saying? Well, they're divided on their near-term outlook for gold prices. While many believe that as this uncertainty continues, we will continue to see gold prices inch higher in the near term, hit even more fresh record highs. But of course, the other brokerages and economists are saying, they believe that, look, as this uncertainty eases or is even stagnant, they feel these prices may ease. So, of course, a divided view there. But for the Indian consumer also, remember, in India, consumption is huge as far as gold is concerned. And just ahead of Akshay Tritiya, this, of course, is bad news for consumers.